So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Ashok Buildcoin share. So we know that today it has given a very good move of almost 10%. So we have discussed about this particular stock. I've given a few stocks in the Telegram group as well, almost 10 stocks. So if you have not joined the Telegram group, join it. So on Sunday, that is on February 14th itself, I have discussed 10 stocks. So in which 7th stock was Ashoka Buildcoin, and also other stocks has also given considerably very good move in short span of time. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about Ashoka Buildcoin. So again this Sunday, again I'll be discussing again next set of 10 stocks. So stay tuned, which may give some good quality returns in short span of time, and rest of all it depends upon you whether you want to hold for long term or not. So make sure you join the Telegram group. So in Telegram group, apart from discussing about stocks for short term and long term, I'm also updating when to have an entry and when to have an exit. That is, whenever any stock has reached high levels or overbought region, I'm telling to partially book the profit, or I'm telling the levels where you can enter, so that it will be easy for you to take the position. So join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the description. And people who are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so firstly, we'll start discussing about the volume analysis. So firstly, if you see Ashoka Buildcoin, so if you see today's movement, that is on 16th February, obviously why that is light blue color bars you can see there. So these are the light blue color bars. So these are nothing but the traded quantity, and the dark blue which you can see here are nothing but the deliverable quantity. So clearly you can see that deliverable quantities have increased, and also the traded quantity has increased. So traded quantity is obvious because volatility was high. So whenever volatility is high, traded quantity increases. So one other important thing, very important thing about Ashoka Buildcoin, I'll share with you at the end of the video. So it is very interesting. So a big momentum is going to happen in Ashoka Buildcoin. So that is clearly visible in the technical chart. So we'll see what is that big move once we go to the technical chart. So now we'll see about returns and indicators, and then we'll go to technical charts. So clearly we can understand that deliverable quantities are increasing, followed by traded quantity has also increased because of volatility, that is movement has increased. Okay, since deliverable quantity is increasing, so that is one good point that can be added. Okay, next if you see returns wise, how much returns it has given. So in 1 week 5.47 returns, 1 month 24. Okay, so forget about returns. So why I told to add this particular stock, because recently we know that the quarter results are also been updated, so it has posted some very good returns. Second reason is being infra, and also it has been in the levels. So whenever I tell any stock, I study the levels and then only I suggest to you people. So either it may go a different way, because when Nifty is down, obviously every stock comes down. So you need to understand that, and when Nifty is going up, obviously these levels will be respected and they start moving up. So don't have a panic situation that it is continuously falling. So every stock corrects, right? So almost bull run is happening in stock market. So we need to understand that even if you are getting loss or profit, we need to find the opportunity to add quality stock and also to average. So you need to have a mindset of even averaging a particular stock. Without averaging, you may not accumulate it for a long period of time. Okay, so develop that particular attitude at once. So next of all, if you see 1 year returns are 13.74, 3 years you can see minus 21.2, 5 years flat, almost flat, minus 1.1, 10 years you can see 100% returns, roughly you can say that. Okay, so next important thing is indicator. So clearly you can see momentum has increased. So after the results have come, before also we have seen the momentum was shooting up. If you see RSI, clearly you can see it is near 70.8 and money flow index is near 72.8. So this particular stock remained in very good levels, near 50, 60, 70 rupees. Also it has shown some very good momentum. Yeah, so PE was high. So forget about PE, because whenever you're taking any quality stock, so PE doesn't come to matter at that particular point of time. Only the results, financials, valuations, whatever say operator activity, everything only plays the particular game. So from there it has started continuously moving, and after crossing the 100 rupees level, when the results have come again, it has started moving up. So money flow index, little bit of overbought region it has come, because 10% movement has come today, and also earlier also it has given very good move. So that is the one reason why it has gone to overbought region. But don't lose the hope. I told that I'll tell one important thing before the video ends, so that we'll see now. Okay, so we are back onto the technical chart. So first we'll see 1-day chart. So currently you can see it is near 116.75, and almost roughly 10% movement was seen today. So clearly, if you see technical charts, I told in many videos, and I'll keep telling, only one indicator, that is moving averages, are more than enough, followed by money flow index. So why, you will understand, see here. So these are the two lines, these are the two moving averages. So red color, okay, you can see red color moving average, right? So that is nothing but the 200 EMA. And what is the green color one? So green color one is nothing but the 50 EMA. So green is 50 EMA, red is 200 EMA. So another important thing you need to note here is, so whenever any small moving averages breaks a large moving average. So I'll repeat once again. So whenever any small moving average, that is here in this point, green color is 50 EMA, red is 200. So when green, that is a small, is crossing up, clearly you can see it's crossing up the 200 EMA, that is a bullish indication. Okay, so that may be one reason. Okay, you need to remember. And how will you confirm that? You can confirm straight away when you go here. You will see little bit of buying was seen. Okay, after that it has corrected, it has taken support near these two. You need to understand that. So let it retest. After the breakout, don't immediately enter, let it retest. Should retest the any of the moving average, and then only you need to take the entry. Okay, so this is one very good concept, so that you will employ whenever you're doing any trading, swing trade, long-term trade. So it will be very, very beneficial to you. Okay, hope you're understanding. Okay, so now since 10% movement has come, it is continuing its journey. So we can't see much data here. So let's go to 1 week chart. Okay, so this is what I was telling. I told I'll tell one important thing. So that is, this is the important thing. So this is 1 week chart. So clearly 1 week chart, you can see it is almost approaching its 200 exponential moving average. So whenever any stock gives a breakout from 200 exponential moving average, we'll see some extreme bullishness. So will it break that, or will it face resistance? So we need to see in the next coming sessions. So what is the another interesting thing? So another interesting thing is that you can see here, it has given breakdown from the 200 moving average almost in 2019. So you can see in 2019 it has given breakdown from that July 2019. From that period of time, it has remained below its 200 only. You can see from that period it has remained remained below 200 moving average. So this will be very, very important, that when it gives breakout from this 200 moving average, we can see some extreme bullishness. Okay, extreme bullishness we may see if it gives closing above that, and if it takes support, definitely it will show some bullishness. So you need to be very ready. So that's why I have picked this particular stock for short term to medium term. Okay, hope you're understanding. So clearly you can see from 2019 it has remained below 200 exponential moving average, and now it has come closer to that, and it is trying to break out that. So if it gives breakout, as I discussed, if it takes support, the extreme bullishness would be present. So 120, what is 120, not 120, 125, 130 short term easily it will achieve. After that 150 also may be seen. Okay, so hold patiently. So that's what I can say. So we have discussed near 105. When I told the stock was near 102 or 105, I guess 103. Okay, from that to now it has gone to 116.7. So let's see if market also is in good condition. If it shows positive movement, so definitely everything goes good. So don't have a negative mindset that stock is falling, because if market corrects, what can we do? So everything corrects, right? Not only one stock, every stock falls. So find the opportunity, see the stocks, join the Telegram group. Again, This Sunday again we'll see few stocks which will be very interesting, and also I'll update in the Telegram. So join the Telegram, link is in the description and comment section. So until then, take care, bye bye.